Got it going?
Now we're going.
164 degrees on the wire. Battery pack's 150. End bell 126. Speed control 130. Let's try just the actual wire. Actual wire is about 116 degrees or so. The negative was the 160. Positive still pretty hot at 125. Negative right now is 131, and it's cooling rapidly.
This is approximately 30 seconds after the run.
Castle bullets. Junk.
And now for the speed. We'll see what it says.
And we want 10 minutes total, including tape up. 2.5 miles total on the water. 56.5 miles an hour. That's it. A little disappointed. I was expecting more since it did 55.9.
And choppier water.
We'll try again. That's all.